Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Amira is practicing to participate in an upcoming marathon. She runs 9 km every day. What is the total distance she covered in the month of March? So first of all, we know that the number of days in the month of March is equal to 31 days. And it is given in the question that Amira runs in one day, so that this distance is 9 km, which is given. So using unitary method, we can find out that she covers distance in 31 days will be what? Or 31 day you can tell it is the month of March. So this distance is nothing but 31 multiplied by 9. So we have used unitary method here. So this multiplication will give 279 km. So this is the total distance she covered in the month of March. So this is the answer.